the best side hustles for anyone like stay-home moms or anyone who's in between jobs, who's looking for a job, but not sure what they're going to do for their next check. Hey, I got you covered. Hey, this is Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and share this video. And don't forget to leave me a little comment. Hey, if you're a stay-home mom and you're looking for a way, maybe the kids are back in school, or or maybe you just got a lot of free time, you're one of them that got laid off. There's been a bunch of layoffs this year. The economy's in a tank, and if you're looking for a way to make extra money or just to make money in general, I got you covered. That you can do the same thing that I've been doing, and it's affiliate marketing. If you're new to affiliate marketing and you don't know what affiliate marketing is, you're basically getting a product, whether it's from Amazon or one of these other big box stores, and they're going to give you affiliate link. Once they give you affiliate link, you promote it. Then once, say, someone clicks on your link, they buy it, then you get a commission. That's how you make money. But remember, affiliate marketing, there's no product to keep up with, there's no shipping and no returns. It's a great business model to be in. It's low cost to get into, and it's a good way to either put a little money in your pocket, depends on how much you want to do it, or pay all your bills with, fund your house, basically. So it depends on what you want to do with it. It depends on where, how much time, how much effort you got to putting into this. But the best side hustle, no doubt, is affiliate marketing. And we can help you with that. If you're looking for a way to help with your income and to maybe make your income stretch a little bit further because, the economy is, pretty bad this year. Or, maybe you can't find work. If you want to learn the best way to do it, how to do affiliate marketing the right way, where you got a mentor and an advisor who's gonna basically hold your hand and help you along the way, then what you want to do is check out the link in the description and let's get going, because we can help. If you've been looking for a side hustle, and if you've been looking for a way to put more money into your account for bills, maybe child care, whatever the case may be, extra vacation, this is the way to do it. It's perfect for stay-home moms. It's perfect for anybody who's a college student who's trying to pay their way through school but not sure how to do it. Perfect way to do it. It's hands down the best business model right now to get into. It's low cost. It's if you got a few hours a day, then you can do it. That's why it's perfect for anyone who has extra time, who maybe, if you got that 9-to-5 grind, but maybe, you're only working Monday through Friday and you got Saturday and Sunday off, it's perfect. You can do it. Even if you don't, as long as you got a couple hours to put into it, it's well worth the time, But hey, if we can help you, just remember, we need a good working email, a good working phone number, and we can get you going. But affiliate marketing, it's not hard and it's not easy, but you can do it with the right training, with the right guidance, and we're willing to show you the right way, with a mentor and advisor to show you all the ins and outs. We got guys and gals who's been doing this for years, who's already making 6-7 figures. Now they want to teach, and the best way for them to give back is to show you the right way to do it. That way you skip all the nonsense, all the learning curve, and you go straight to learning and making money. And that's what we want to do. We want you making money as quickly as possible, but the right way. We're going to teach you how to build funnels. We're going to teach you how to do email campaigns, how to run ads on Google without being banned. Same thing with Facebook and all the rest of them. Bing. So if you want to learn the right way, and you want to be able to get an advisor and a mentor and learn at the same time, don't forget to check out the link in the description. Let's get going. And I will see you next week with more tips and tricks.